So these videos here were captured on my game camera, and I didn't know if this thing was working or not, but it was, and I just thought, throw it in here as a back view of, it was a couple of months ago, a back view of, the date's not right, so forget about that. But anyway, a back view of what we did a couple of months ago. The cabin is almost done. The outside is pretty much done, but it just gives you an idea of things that we did and how much energy and effort it goes into just doing the smallest things, getting rid of junk, leveling things, putting things in the right place, getting rid of stones. Oh man, there was so many stones. There is so many stones on this property, not only from the landslide that came down from the mountain on the other side of the road and onto our property, but just in general, it's very stony, which is okay. It's great for aeration. Ton of earthworms in this land. If you like fishing, it's a great place for earthworms. Anyway, just wanted to give you an idea of things that happened. This is a very short little clip. Um, I thought it might be interesting to add this in there, so that's what this is all about.